Welcome to the Aquasure Harmony Series meter maintenance video. To begin, you'll need to gather a few tools and supplies. To follow along with the video, you will need a flat head screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a food-grade lubricant or silicone grease, a cleaning brush, and a can of compressed air. Shut off the main water supply valve. Locate the water supply valve to your home and turn it off, then open the nearest faucet and allow any water to drain, releasing the system water pressure. Close system bypass. Turn the two bypass knobs clockwise to place the system in bypass mode. Remove the screws, brackets, and bypass. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws and brackets on both sides of the bypass. Then separate the bypass from the meter. Remove the cable. Pull upward on the cable to remove it from the meter. Remove the meter. Gently pry the meter from the system using a flathead screwdriver or similar object, applying even pressure to avoid damage. Inspect and clean the meter turbine. Using a cleaning brush and compressed air, thoroughly clean the meter turbines inside and out. Brush away loose debris. Then use the air to remove any remaining dust from the internal components. Lubricate the meter O-rings. Using food-grade lubricant or silicone grease, spread a small amount on each of the meter O-rings. Put the meter and cable back in place. Push the meter onto the system with the turbine side facing out and the cable hole facing upward. Insert the meter cable into the system meter hole, pushing it until you hear a distinct click. Screw the brackets back into place. Make sure the metal clamps are placed on the meter, both sides of the control valve and the bypass for secure placement. Open system bypass. Turn the two bypass knobs counterclockwise to put the system back in service mode. Turn on water supply valve. Turn on the main water supply valve to your home. Our US-based dedicated customer support team would be happy to help you if you have any further questions.